Hello students, today we are explaining chapter 2nd, addition and subtraction. Okay, in this chapter we are explaining how to subtract 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number and add addition for 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit. So here is the first question of addition, like 345 add by 426 addition. Okay, so when we solving the addition, first we take the ones value, then tens, then hundred. First we take the ones value. Okay, so ones value is, here is 5 and here is 6. So 6 and 5, 11. So right side value is here and left side value go to carry, like this. Now we add 1, 2, 3, all 3 digit, 2 digit this and 1 carry also add and this. So 4 and 2 6 and 1 7, 4 and 3 7. So what's our answer? 771. Okay, one more 273 add by 451, like this. So add by, here is first we take the ones value, then tens, then 100. So ones value is 3 and 1, so 3 and 1 4, 7 and 5, 7 5 12, like this. So ones value here and tens value go to carry. Now we add carry and both two value also. So 4 and 2 6 and 1 7. So what's our answer? It's 724, like this. Okay. Now second one is, number is given in row, we make in column, then add. Okay, like this. Here is one question: 2345 add by 1632. Now first we take in column. So here is like this. First we take this value, then this one. So first we take 2, then 3, then 6, then 1, like this. So now also we take the ones value, it's 5 and 2, it's 7, then 4 and 3, it's also 7, 6 and 3, it's 9, and 2 and 1, like this. Okay, so that's our addition. That's a simple addition. And one more here is rounded form. Okay, rounded form addition or horizontally. First we take the horizontally addition, like this. This is a column type, and one more with horizontally. So horizontally, like there is one question: 4589 add by 3875. Now don't we write down, we don't write this like column form, we add like this in horizontally. So horizontally, ones value add by ones value, this one is ones, this one also ones. So we add 5 and 9. Okay, so 5 and 9 is 14. So we write 4 in ones value here. Ones value. Okay, 4 here and 1 carry go to in second position. Now we add 8 tens value to tens value. So here is 8 and here is 7. So 8 and 7, how much? 15. Okay, 15 and 1 carry. So we take here 16. So 6 right here and 1 go to carry. Now we take the tens value. Here is 5 and here is 8. So 5 and 8, 13 and 1 carry. So 13, 1, 14. So we write down 4 here and 1 carry. Now last value, thousand value. Here is 4 and here is 3. So 4 and 3, 7 and 1 carry. So 7 and 1, 8. So we put here 8. So what's our answer? It's 8464, like this. Okay. One more example of horizontally addition. Like 6550 add by 650, like this. Okay, now we add. So first we take the ones value. Here is 0 and here is 0. So ones value is 0. Then tens value, here is 5 and here is also 5. So 5, 5, 10. So we put here 0 and 1 carry. Now we take tens value. Here is 5 and here is 6. 5 and 6, 11 and 1 carry. So it's 12. So we take 2 here and 1 carry. Now we take the thousands value. Here is 6 and here is thousand is 0. So 6, 0 is 6 and 1 carry. So 6 and 1, 7. What's our answer? It's 7200. Okay, you understand how to add digit to horizontally form. Now one more, it's rounded form. Okay, what? Rounded form. How to add the numbers in rounded form. Okay, add the number in nearest or rounded form. Okay, what? Nearest and rounded form. So near, like this one question, nearest, like here 47 add by 24. So what's the rounded of 47? What is the rounded of 47? 10, nearest tens. 47 between 40 and 50. What's the middle? It's 50, 45. So 47 is greater than or less than? Is 45 is greater than 45. So that's going 50. So 47, where we write down 47, where we write down 50. Then like 24, like this also we take 24 now. 24. So 24 between 20 and 30. What's the middle part? Is 25. So 24 is less than or greater than 25? Is greater than, less than 25. Okay, so here is 25 is less than, that going 20. So we put here 20. Now we add that of both. First we add two numbers. So here is 47 and 24 and 50 and 20. So here is 70 and here is 71. Okay, like this. So accurate is 71 and estimation is 70. Means rounded. Okay, nearest or rounded. It's 70 and accurate. What is answer? Accurate answer is 71 and rounded answer is 70. Like this. Okay, that's our addition. Now we are explaining subtractions. Okay, like this. Subtraction also 3 types. That's all addition. Now subtraction. Okay, so one question of subtraction. Like first we take the simple question. Like 862 subtract by 235. So here is 2. So we don't subtract 2 by 5. So we take the carry by 6. So 6 give the carry 1 and here is 2. So it's 12. Then 6 give by 1 2 here. So what left here? It's 5. Because 6 give 1 to 1's value is give to 1. Then how much left here? 5. Now we subtract 12 by 5. So here is 7. Now 5 by 3, here is 2. Now 8 by 2, here is 6. One more like this. Here also we don't subtract 4 to 7, 6. We don't subtract 4 by 6 because 4 is less than 6. So we take the carry by 6. So 1 carry and 4 is present here. So here is 14. Then 6 give by 1. So here is how much left? 5. Then 14 subtract by 6. 8. And 5 subtract by 2 is 3. And 7 subtract by 4 is what's the answer? 338. Now horizontally subtractions. Horizontal subtraction also like this. That addition type. That we explain the add in horizontally form. So here is the subtraction of horizontally form. Okay. Subtract of horizontally. Like now 1's value is 3. Subtract by 2. So how much? 1. Then 4 subtract by 1. So how much? 3. And 8 subtract by 2. 631 like this. Okay? Like addition. That we solving the addition like this we solve the subtract in a horizontal form. Now nearest of subtractions. Oh, okay. What is the nearest of subtractions? One last thing, nearest of subtractions. So how do 74 subtract by 58? So what is the nearest of 74? Is between 70 and 80. Middle is 75. So 74 is less than or greater than 75 is less than 75. Because here is 74 and here is 75. So it's less than 75. So that means 70. So what is the round up of 74? 70. Then 58. 58 between is 50 to 60. Middle is 55. So 58 less than or greater than 55 is greater than 55. So that going 60. So what is the nearest? It's 60. Now we subtract 74 subtract by 58. So here is 8 and here is 4. So 4 is less than 8. So that give the carry. Here is 1, here is 4 and here is 7. So that give 1. So here is left is 6. Now 14 subtract by 8. It's 6. Then 6 subtract by 1 is 16. That's the accurate form. Then it's a nearest form subtraction. Okay. So in this chapter only we are explaining how to add, how to subtract. Okay. And nothing in this chapter. Okay. So I think all of you understanding how to subtract like 3-digit, 4-digit number and how to add the numbers. Okay. Thank you for watching. And you also see our previous video for chapter first. Here is 2 part of chapter first and second chapter is only 1 part. Okay. Thank you.